Hello, good evening, everyone. My name still remains Pharmacist Jacob. I'm a trained pharmacist and a professional forex trader. Today, I want to teach us briefly how to set stop losses correctly. How to set stop losses correctly. Because some people may come with an idea of setting a stop loss um, around so pips, and sometimes it does not work like that. So the way I set my stop loss based on the market structure. I set my stop loss based on the market structure. So let us go briefly and see how we set stop loss according to the market structure. Now, let's go to 4 hour time frame and look at the trend of the market. 4 hour time frame, you can see the market is on uptrend. Let's draw trend line from here. This is considered as the origin of the trend. In an uptrend market, we only need two, at least two trough. It can be more than that, but at least two trough. In an upward trend, we need two trough to draw our trend line. And if it is a downtrend, we need only at least two peaks. So on 4 hour time frame, we have our trend line drawn perfectly. This is considered as the origin of the trend. So we have one trough, we have second trough, and we are expecting a third touch here. So let's go to that's long time view of the market. If you look at daily time frame, the market is actually is on uptrend because if you draw your trend line from here, let's draw it and see. Draw your trend line from here, you discover that okay, this is a fake out. You discover there's a breakage of the trend. But let's draw it and see for ourselves. So on a daily time frame, if you draw your trend line on the daily time frame, you will see that at least we need two peak, and this is the first peak here, this is the second peak here, this another peak here, but this is a fake out, and then here the market broke here, retraced, and is going up. So it is still in synchrony with the 4 hour time frame. The market is moving upward, is on upward movement. So, but I just want to teach us on how to set stop loss correctly. So we go to 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame is also in synchrony with the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. So the market is obviously going up. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame where we are expected to place our trade. 15 minutes time frame where we are expected to place our trade. And based on our strategy, this is this is the aggressive move, this is the correctional move. This one from down here is the aggressive move, and this is a correctional move, and we are expecting a continuation move. So our interest is to place the trade on the correct continuation move. So, and this is the place we'll be targeting. This is our target area. This is our target area. This is our target area. Like I said, this one from here, from here, from here is the aggressive move. From here up to this level is the aggressive move because the market is going upward. So from down here is the aggressive move. So this is a correctional move, and we are expecting this is a correctional move. So we are expecting a continuation move. So our target is the continuation move. So we are placing our trade here. We are placing our trade here. We are placing our trade. So we are placing our trade here. So this is where we are placing our trade. So the topic is how to set stop loss correctly. So our stop loss will be slightly below where we are placing our trade. So we give it a breathing space. Let's say our stop loss will be placed here. Yeah, giving it a little breathing space. So our stop loss should be slightly below here. What this simply means is that if the market comes down here and take us out, we agree to be wrong. We agree to be wrong. So our stop loss should be here. So if you are placing uh, long, we place our long here, and we'll be targeting here. We'll be targeting here. And like I always say, our before we place any trade, we have to ensure that it gives us at least 1:2 risk to reward. So the distance between where our entry is to where our stop loss is should not be too much. So from here, uh, the distance between where we are placing trade, where we are placing entry, and our stop loss at least should not be too much. So you can bring it down, bring it here, bring it here based on market structure. So we have 32.2 pips. 32.2 pips where our stop loss is. So you can see our risk reward is about how much? Our risk reward is about 1:9.63. You can imagine if you catch this trade, you are done for the whole week. So this is how to place stop loss. Stop loss should always be slightly below the recent low if you are placing long. And if you are placing short, stop loss should be slightly above the recent high. Imagine if we are placing buy here, our stop loss should be slightly above the recent high, where we don't expect the market to get to. So our stop loss, if it is buy, if it is short, that if it is sell or short that we are placing, this is where our stop loss should be. Our stop loss should be here. If it is short, we are placing. Imagine if it is short, we are placing here and targeting down, because I'm just trying to demonstrate how to place stop loss. So if it is short we are placing, our stop loss should be here. This is our entry point, and this is our stop loss, slightly above the recent high, where if the market turn and take us out, we agree to be wrong. So this is how to set stop loss correctly according to market structure. It's not based on the number of pips, but based on the market structure. So I believe you have gained value from uh, today's video. Please, one thing I'm pleading with you is kindly subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment. If there's any topic you want me to create a video on, please let me know on the comment below, because doing that it will help me, know what people are actually interested in. And again, if you subscribe my channel, you are helping me, you know, ensuring that my videos go as far as possible. That whenever I release, enlightened videos like this, such kind of free content, YouTube will always recommend it to you and to as many people who needed to see or watch this video as possible. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. God bless you. Have a pleasant day ahead. Bye.